Veterinarian Carlos Enrique from Lima visits befriended alpaca breeders in Tolconi, like Eduardo and his wife Ancelma, who drive their large herd of alpacas from one pasture to another. By moving several times a year with their animals to different places, they avoid overgrazing and ensure the survival of the whole ecosystem. As expert in South American camelids, vet Carlos Enrique helps Lucio and Maria with their well-organized alpaca breeding. By visiting Apolinario and Rosaria, he takes part in a shearing session of an alpaca and explains the economic problems of selling the fiber. Santos and Melchora show him in their homestead gender-based spinning and weaving techniques, while Carlos Enrique explains valuable background information. The pastoralists of Tolconi give insights into their personal ways of life. For example, at Elena Lime's place, Carlos Enrique witnesses the close and harmonious relationship between the family and their animals. Outstanding is the bonding between 7-year-old Jamilette and her young alpaca Lee, which was raised in the girl's family after its mother abandoned the newborn.
¿La ves? No sé. El perro le asustaba.